Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the project and selecting the specific layer whose attributes you need. This matters because only the active table exports cleanly. Once the layer is selected, open its attribute table and inspect fields, hide unnecessary fields, or apply a definition query to narrow rows. Make sure you choose an export format now: CSV for spreadsheets, Excel for formatted sheets, or a table export for database use. These first steps set up accuracy and reduce post-export cleanup, so do them carefully. Now you execute the copy or export. If you need a reusable file, use table options, then export. Pick the output type and configure field mappings. This preserves field names and types. If you only need a quick paste, select rows in the attribute table, right-click and choose Copy Selected or Copy All, then paste into Excel or a text editor. During export, watch for field length or type changes. Adjust if necessary, because mismatches are a common source of later errors. You finish by opening the exported file and validating content. Compare row counts, field names, and data types to the original table. This confirms integrity. If you spot trimming, nulls, or typecasts, re-export using explicit field mapping or use Arcgis geoprocessing tools to convert types before export. If nothing exports, check permissions and whether the layer is locked or in edit mode. Run repair geometry or validate features when geometry issues block export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.